Hi, so I was having a little bit of a problem trying to get it to just record through the webcam, so this is the best I could do. My name is Jasmine Jowers. I am going to be a kindergarten teacher again at Florida Avenue Elementary School, which is inside of Louisiana. It's actually only my second year, well, going to be my second year teaching. So the purpose of me enrolling in this doctoral program is because my end goal is to eventually be a professor one day. Sorry, I'm sick. And I know that you must have a doctorate to do that. And I want to be a professor just because I want to be not just helpful to the little ones, but to also people that are going to my profession, because I can remember a select few of professors that really helped me grow and become the person I am. The teacher I think I am right now. And I kind of owe all of that to the professors that have worked with me, not just now, but I mean, not just when I was in their classroom, but even after that. So I want to be that person to somebody else. I want to inspire somebody else to use what I taught them in class in the field, and not just just to get out of my course. The other question I chose to answer is do you what do you feel are the two most critical issues facing teachers or curriculum leaders? One of the issues I chose was pacing and time restrictions. I have kids are all at like different levels, and I feel like it's kind of crazy that how fast the pacing guide goes, like the scope and sequence of the year. And I know you don't have to directly follow it, but it's encouraged. And I feel like sometimes when I hold my kids to keep doing the same thing over and over again instead of moving on like it's suggested, I feel like I'm helping them, but it's also a struggle to try to fit in everything when you do stay back on a topic for so long. Another issue I find is accountability from the students and from the parents. I feel like parents require a lot of us, and they aren't always putting in the same amount of effort at home. And I know that at a certain age, it could be you know, the kids that need to be held accountable for it. But I feel like parents sometimes they don't really understand what kids are going through and what the teachers are going through in the classroom with so many different kids you have to look after. And you're responsible for. It's hard. It's really hard to get everybody to where they need to be. Sometimes you can only grow them, well, you can only really grow them from where they're at. And if you don't have that support at home, if they're only getting it at school, it's the growth is not going to be as much as those parents might want it to be. But they're required to put in some of that effort too. It can't just be us. So that's all I really have. I'm excited to, start off this course because I really enjoy math. So I think this will be something that's, of course, that's good for me, and of course, that'll really stick with me.